We made it to El Mirage. The Welshman is cooking dinner. Staying warm?
Yeah, you see me close the door, how fast I close that door? I got all the warm air in there.
Yeah, but I wanted to get your video of you cooking.
Oh, I got
you
the
looked awesome.
sandwich going, yeah.
I know, let me see it. I want to see you in action. Oh dear. What happened?
Nothing. Pissed off so bad last night I dropped all my spam on the ground. Dusty spam sandwich. I got it all cooked. Went to like put the pan back down, I set it down, set the handle down wrong. And
hey!
Good morning! Yeah, this man's just always gorgeous.
Hello!
So, Maddie, what are we doing?
Well, as you can tell from the getup, it's chilly. Batteries don't like the cold, so I got the heater running full blast in the van. We're gonna try to get as much heat in the battery as we can before we unload, because the air temperature is gonna stay pretty cold. We're gonna be sitting in the sun for a while, but it's gonna stay pretty cold, so that should be good for an extra few horsepower.
It's like opposite of Bonneville Racing. It's so cold. It's like we should brought our water ski. Oh, not skis, but our ice ski. Our skis. Got below freezing last night.
Yeah, I did. I took 30 degrees apparently.
Yeah, 30 degrees. That is freaking like.
Wait, how cold was it?
30?
30.
Way too cold? Like 50 degrees too cold? I like it 75 to 80.
That's why we live in Southern California.
Yep.
So who wants to sing the national anthem with me?
Yeah!
You guys are the best. All right, you ready? Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light?
Russell Stanley.
Wait a second. Is that the Wheeling Welshman?
James Carey, Ralph McClure.
Got yours?
Yep.
Tilt ramp. You can't just, you know. It's engineered right there.
Let me get you your.
The kickstand.
All right, how you feeling?
Good. Yeah.
Anything new on the bike? Anything?
Nothing at all.
Anything to report?
Exactly the same setup. Batteries are going to be cold because it was, what did you say, 30 degrees last night? 30 degrees, which would be a problem if we were running 200, but we're not. So we'll take it easy. We'll run over 150, under 175, and see how it feels. Course is bad, like worse than it was last time. So yeah, we'll take it easy. We'll see. Now I need a pair of hands.
Yep, absolutely.
Push my suit up and the back protector down. You know, the thing really low to go. Cramming my neck last run.
Yeah, I went on that. Bring it down pretty far.
Yeah, smart like chicken.
Stupid like a fuck.
Hey, give him hell, guys. Good luck, man.
Thank you.
Let's see how it feels.
Yeah, get out. You're on.
Not quite fast enough for that 184 class record.
Okay, sweet. Because I was there in the shutdown area last time and I didn't know if I was
You got good action on it.
Okay.
Your toe's bending on the bottom of the frame a little
that's
bit,
pushing the...
but it's still pushing it down.
Perfect.
Just don't grab a handful too fast.
Bike number 2655.
Better go move up.
Yeah. That is special construction streamlined, and that is electric mega class. Class record is 211. San Diego Roadster Club entry. The motor is a Yawn 2009, whatever that means. I'll have to bone up on my electric stuff, I guess. And that is M. Dealey behind the controls on this run. Through the traps at 165.011, 165.011 for that electric motorcycle. Bike 2655.
How'd that run go, though?
Good. Bumpy. Real sketchy.
Think you can make another pass? What was it, 165, 163?
164. 4, there you go.
And change. I think it was 164.5.
There you go. I was sitting at 150, feeling it out, and trying to make my way over to the side of the course, and saw the lights coming up. I'm like, oh, squeeze it.
Still a lot of torque up there?
Oh, mountains. I'm talking. When I say I squeeze it, I was like,
And just
it just takes off. It would absolutely light the tire up.
Wow. Torque is better than horsepower. Perfect.